If you've restricted someone on Facebook and now want to lift those limitations, we've got you covered. We'll walk you through the steps to unrestrict them and restore their usual access to your posts. Let's get started. First, open up your Facebook and click on the Messenger icon. Once you're in Messenger, tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. This will take you to your settings. Next, scroll down until you see the Privacy and Safety section. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll find an option that says Restricted Accounts. Click on it to view the list of people you've restricted. At the top of the screen, you'll see a plus icon. Tap on it, and this will allow you to search through your list of restricted friends. Once you've located the person you want to unrestrict, click on their name. After clicking on their profile, you'll see the option to unrestrict them. Tap on that, and just like that, they're unrestricted. They'll now be able to see and interact with your posts like before, and they won't receive any notification that you changed their status. Don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to